In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize views in Airtable so you can see exactly the data you need, exactly how you want it. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to Airtable. If you haven't already logged into your account, click the Login button and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the base that contains the view you want to edit. A base is like a project folder, so think of this as opening the specific workspace where your data lives. Inside that base, you'll see several tables listed along the top. Select the table that contains the view you want to modify. Now, locate and open that specific view. You'll find views listed on the left side of the screen, often named things like Grid View, Calendar, or something custom. Click on the view name or the small View Options button next to it. This opens a panel where all the customization lives. Take a moment to review the available settings for your current view. Different view types, like Grid, Calendar, or Gallery, offer different options, so what you see here depends on which view you're using. The first thing you'll likely want to tweak is field visibility. Show or hide individual fields to reduce clutter and improve readability. For instance, if you have a column for internal notes that your team doesn't need to see, just hide it. Next, update the filters. Filters control which records appear in your view, so you can narrow things down to only the most relevant data. If you want to see only tasks assigned to a specific person, for example, set a filter on the assignee field. Then, modify the sorting rules to change the record order, like sorting by due date, so the most urgent items float to the top. If your view supports it, configure grouping options to organize records into collapsible sections, which is fantastic for visual clarity. Depending on the view type, you can also change row height, switch to a card layout, or adjust other view-specific settings. As you make each change, preview the results directly in the view. Keep tweaking until you're satisfied. The best part is that Airtable saves your changes automatically, so you never have to worry about losing your work. Before you share this view with collaborators, do a quick test to make sure everything looks right and functions the way you intended. And remember, combining filters and sorting is a powerful way to create focused workflows that save everyone time. You've now successfully customized your Airtable view to display exactly the information you need. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.